In this video, I want to talk about how you can get new users on Temu. Now, usually you would use this for the Temu referral program. And what you want to do is just get your link right here, and then it's time to share it. So I'll quickly go through some of the most common ways to share it. Now, the first one is on social media. So this can be anything. It can be TikTok, it can be Instagram, X, YouTube, whichever one. You want to create an account on there, and then you want to start posting content. So for Temu, some of the famous ones is like hauls. So like if you buy some clothes, you can do a show where you show off the clothes from Temu, and then you include the link. Now the second one is just your personal network. It can be your friends, it can be your cousins, it can be your family. Now another one is blogs. So if you have a website or anything with a little bit of traffic or anything, you can post from in there, and then people can sign up via your link. Now the last one is forums, and this can be on Reddit or stuff like this. And if someone asks a question, you can answer it if it's about Temu, and you will be able to put your link in there as well. So these are 4 of the most common ways to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.